Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today in front of me, I have the Fodsport FX-S, and this is the best-selling Bluetooth headset on Amazon. Okay, so I've been riding with the Fodsport for about a week now, and you turn my head so you can see it. I know in the past I've done budget Bluetooth headset reviews, but today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. For 1 week, I'm gonna have this Bluetooth headset on my helmet, and I'm going to see if this $30 Bluetooth headset is worth the value. Let's try it out, guys.
"2,000 years later."
Okay, so I've been riding with the Fodsport for about a week now, and you turn my head so you can see it. And during this week, I've really come to like this headset.
A few moments later.
And for me personally, I think what I really like is that I don't see too much of a difference, at least in terms of specs and abilities that this headset has in comparison to my Cardo. It has things like voice command,
Today, Junior?
and a really nice feature about this in comparison to my Cardo is that it has the jog dial, so you don't have to look for buttons. You can just kind of turn up the volume based on if you want it louder or quieter. Also, I feel like it has less buttons, so it does take a little bit used to getting a hang of it, but once you do, it works just fine. I don't know, maybe there's some beauty and simplicity in these designs. What do you guys think? But yeah, for $40, do you think there's anything else on the market that can really beat this? Also, one last thing I kind of want to note is that I think the speakers, or at least the system in and of itself, is louder than my Cardo. I don't know, maybe I can do a test later and we can find out. Alright, I don't know what else to say. I think I'm gonna cut the video from here. Like I said, I got my decibel reader out, and right now I'm going to test the volume on the Cardo and compare it to the Fodsports. Let's start with the Cardo since it's already kind of set up. Okay, so for the Cardo, it looks like 86.4 was the highest decibel that it read. Okay, so right now I have the Fodsport set up with the decibel reader, and it's gonna use the same song, same volume, all the way to the max. And for the Fodsport, it looks like 87.2 was the highest decibel that it read.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, so my take is that for the money, the Fodsport is a really good unit, especially this FX-S. I can see why it's the best-selling Bluetooth headset on Amazon. For the price, the quality, the sound level, just all the features that it comes with can't be beat. But, you know, if you want something that's app-driven and kind of proven, then yes, the Cardo is a pretty decent unit. But if you just want to listen to music and, you know, you have other people or other friends that you ride with that use Fodsports, then maybe this is the route to go. Anyways, if you made it this far into this video, I appreciate you guys continuing to watch and tuned in. Till next time, guys.